Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something that every entrepreneur needs to know about: choosing the right domain extension for your website. Whether you are launching a tech startup, setting up a non-profit, or rolling out your personal portfolio, picking the right domain extension can impact your online identity. First up, the classic.com. This is the gold standard for almost any website. Why? Because it's the most recognized and trusted domain out there. Whether you are building a business or starting a blog, .com is your go-to for versatility and credibility. Now, if you are in the tech industry, consider a .net extension. It's perfect for technology companies and network services, mainly because it suggests a tech-forward approach. It is a great alternative if your desired .com is already taken. For those of you running non-profit or community organization, .org is where it is at. This extension radiates trust and credibility, making it ideal for non-commercial entities that focus on making a difference rather than profit. Educational institution. You will want to lock down a .edu, reserved for accredited educational entities. This extension screams academic credibility. Remember, it is restricted, so you really need to be in the educational sector to use it. Government entities. A .gov domain is your home turf. This extension ensures your website is seen with authority and trust, but just like the edu, it's restricted to official government use only. Moving on to .info, perfect for those who manage informational websites or database. It tells your visitors that they can expect reliable, factual content from your site. From the business model, especially in e-commerce, .biz is a solid choice. It is an alternative to .com, but be cautious as it can sometimes be associated with less reputable sites. Personal bloggers, artists, or anyone looking to build a personal brand, .me is your domain. It's perfect for personal blogs portfolio. It's all about you and your personal journey. Lastly, if you are looking to emphasize a local presence, make sure you choose a local top-level domain of the country you are based in. For instance, for US-based business aiming to emphasize a local presence, .us is a fantastic pick. It directly targets a US audience and enhances your connection with local customers. In conclusion, choosing the right domain extension is not just a technical decision, it is a strategic one. Each extension has its strengths and it is suited for specific uses. Think about what your brand stands for and how you want to be perceived online. What domain extension will you choose for your business? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat about it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights on how to boost your online presence. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.